Here's a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette. Convertible, as you can see. This convertible does come with the hard top option as well as the soft top. Hard top is a black vinyl covered hard top. Soft top is white in color. This particular car, we have the ownership history back to 1978 on it. It's believed to be a 3, no more than 4 owner car. Miles are original, as we can follow back through copies of the titles when they exchanged hands. So original, very nice, low mile car. Has had one repaint along the way. Was originally a Mila red car, so that is still correct. Data tag indicates it also would have had silver vinyl interior, which all looks to be correct. As you can see, automatic. This is a 454, which within the last year, the big block was available up until recent years, obviously, when the big blocks and big horsepower engines started coming back around. So 1974, also the last year of the convertible in C3 until they made their debut once again later on in history. Original color, original miles. Very nice looking car. If you go down the options of this thing too, there's not many options that it is not equipped with. Automatic transmission, rear defrost, that hardtop conversion, obviously, AM, FM stereo, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, and then down to some of the little stuff, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, map light underneath the rear view mirror. So a lot of options were added to this car. It's in beautiful shape, goes down the road absolutely like you'd expect from well taken care of, low mile, original Corvette. Paint has just a couple blemishes on it. I'll see if I can get one to show up there. Here would be one. And then of course where the hard top and the soft top kind of go on, they leave a little bit of that just kind of wear. But very, very nice shape. This car would be nice enough to show, take to cruise-ins, or just out for those Sunday drives. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up too. It runs as good as it looks. Here's the miles, as you can see, also down there. So you can see them 41,808 is it, I believe. You can see the tach also works. I believe everything but the clock, as far as the gauges, all work. Nice as the door closes. Here's the top also. Get an idea what the inside interior would look like. The stand is not included with it. We hang on to the stand around here. This little bit of dust that was on there, it's not, there's one little blemish on the top though, I will show you. And I also pointed those out in the pictures. That stand's not included, like I was saying. We just use that around here to move the convertible tops when we get these types of cars in. When it's shipped to you, it'll be on the car. Again, a white soft top, black vinyl hard top, removable. 454, 1974 Chevrolet Corvette. If you'd like to see the still pictures, check out the interior engine bay, any of that. You check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to see any documentation that we have copies of it, like to know anything more about this car.